Welcome to my channel Accounts Finance with Excel. Here I am going to explain in this video about trial balance. So what is trial balance? Is trial balance in a statement? So let's discuss about how it is in a statement. So trial balance is usually prepared with balances of accounts in the debit and credit column side by side. So in detail, I can say that trial balance contains all the accounts ledger balances, and it is given for a particular period of time, arranged in the form of debit and credit columns placed side by side and prepared with the object of checking the arithmetical accuracy of ledger posting. So also, while preparing trial balance, accountant need to check their arithmetical accuracy. So here, as definition has been given in short, in a statement, trial balance is a statement in which balances of accounts shown total of debit and credit. Then, purpose and objectives of trial balance. Why trial balance is prepared? Then, as I have explained in definition itself, that to verify the arithmetic accuracy of posting each accounts into ledger from subsidiary book, that is journal book, and then it's on the final position of each account. So after finding out each account's final positions, final balances, accountant prepared final account on the basis of trial balance statement. Here final accounts means the accounts, that is trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. So you need to prepare your trial balance before preparing final accounts. And then error may be located while preparing trial balance are. So there are some error you might be find when you prepare trial balance. So what are the errors we need to discuss here? So error number one, you can find the error when totaling of subsidiary books. So whenever you do recording of journals, you have to check each and every aspects and their computation. While posting journal entries into ledger, so that time you need to put or post your accounts on the respective column side. Also, check the arithmetical accuracy while calculating the account's balance so that your tally, that means your trial balance, should match. And after computation of accounts balance, you have to put your accounts balances into the trial balance with reasonable amount and balances so that your trial balance should match. And here that is none other than debit and credit column balances. So after preparing trial balance, after putting all the accounts balances into trial balance, you have to do totaling of debit side and credit side, and then both accounts should match. So these are the errors you might find during preparation of trial balance. So you need to work carefully. Now preparation steps. An accountant to start preparing trial balance, he must ascertain the balances of each account in the ledger so that the account's balances couldn't be wrong. So you have to be careful while transferring balances from journal to ledger. Now you have to list each and every accounts that is given in journal. So you have to place it in the trial balance debit side and credit side column. So while preparing the trial balance, you need to check each and every account and with their balances and accuracy also, and then have to put the balances into the trial balance. Next, so after putting all the balances into debit and credit side, you have to do the totaling of the debit and credit column, and that debit and credit column should match. So after making the computation of debit and credit column, you need to verify the sum of debit column balances and credit column balances. So here the total debit amount should be equal to credit amount so that your trial balance match. Now here I'm going to discuss about the format and preparation of trial balances. While you start preparing trial balance, you first have to write trial balance of company name. In the blank you have to put company's name as on March 31st and the year, and then this is the format of trial balance you need to prepare in this format. And here you must remember that your purchase account, cash account, liability, I have taken it from the last my ledger. So let's start with the ledger, how I have transferred the balances and accounts from ledger to trial balance. So come here. Here you can see that this is a purchase ledger, and purchase ledger shows that 40,000 is debit balance appearing here. Debit balance because there is no transactions has occurred in credit side, so there is no minus plus amount. So complete 40,000 debit balance purchase accounts has. So because this is a debit balance, now I'm going to put it into the trial balance purchase 40,000 debit account. Now what about credit balance? Cash here. This is ABC Limited. ABC Limited is a creditor and it has 40,000 amount credit balance. So this credit balance will be transferred in trial balance and credit side. And then third one is furniture. So here in furniture you can see that only debit balance is there 45,000. So you have to put furniture with debit balance. Now coming to the next point, that is cash book. It is also not cash book or cash account. Cash account balance is appearing credit balance. So credit balance you have to put in the debit side with minus amount. Why you have to put it into the minus amount? Because all assets, expenses and receivables account shall have been debit balance, and all liability, revenue and payable has to be created or credit balance. So as per this norm, I have to put 10,000 here in place of here, because you have to always put this assets amount debit side. Now cash I have discussed, come here. This is my KLT Limited. KLT Limited, your balance shows credit balance 35,000. So you have put 35,000 here, and your balance now 75,000 of debit side and 75,000 credit side. So this is the all terms I have discussed here regarding trial balance. Now, here you have to just remember that if your any balance is here, here, or any accounts ledger appears with zero balance that I don't have here, so you don't need to skip it from this trial balance. You have to put that account with zero balance. And if your trial balance matches with 75,000, this is a sample, because I will illustrate a complete example later video. So here you have to just focus about the process, and this is the trial balance. On based on this trial balance, accountant need to prepare a final account, that is profit and loss and balance sheet. So these are the complete term I have described here for your information. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you for this session. Bye.